Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get and install Discord application on the Amazon tablet. So in the first step, open the web browser, then look for the Discord APK in the Google. Now choose the APK Pure and tap on the download button. Now tap on the APK download again and wait a second or few seconds. Okay, we're done, so we can tap on it to start the install. We're done, so we can open it, and how you can see it's all perfect. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.